Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I go to the IFA 2023 in Berlin, and today we're here going to talk about the new latest laptop products from Tecno. This brand, they focus on the smartphone before, and their main market is in developing and not developing countries and also developed countries. And this time they bring us the Tecno Megabook T1, and this is a very fashion, very cost-effective notebook laptop product designed for the Z generation, for the younger people. And here is the specification about this device. This laptop, 15.6-inch FHD screen, and the thickness 14.8 thinnest, and the weight 1.48 kilogram, and it's supported by GNA fast charging. Yes, they use the Intel Core 11 generation processor. Here's more features about this device, and it is certificated as the best of IFA 2023. It's also been the Red Dot Design Award 2023 of Red Dot. This is design. Simple design. Also for this laptop, first is fashion, and then it's light and thin. I think this time this is the main features. Pure fashion. And also besides this laptop, they also provide a Mega Mini Gaming G1, so it's a mini PC product for the end users. Yes, MacBook T1, also the mini gaming PC, and also this time they've been another laptop product in IFA. It's called the Tecno Megabook S1. It's also colorful appearance laptop product. And one side can change in color. I think it was the first laptop product that the panel can change color, because before the Tecno they made Tecno Common S1, I think 19 is also a color changing back panel smartphone. It's very interesting. Also this time they use this technology in the notebook laptop Megabook S1. It's called the Dazzling Edition. It's also a thin and light product, and also very cool product. And the sunshine can change color. Yeah, so this time, two laptop product, T1 S1 for you. Thanks for the very quick. Thanks for watching, and this is a quick talk on this laptops from Tecno. Thanks. Stay tuned. We'll have more cool chat from here. Bye bye.